Hey, what's going on, guys? December 18th, 2024, market just closed recently, and a pretty ugly day today. Pretty much sold off right out the get-go from the Fed meeting, and we never kind of looked back. You can see 89% of stocks declining, 75% new lows, 73% are under the 50-day moving average, and 51% under the 200-day. So really ugly action. If you kind of look at the breadth, it kind of was telling the last few, probably the last 2 weeks. The action really got tougher. Breakouts were kind of failing. A lot of squats from breakouts. Even if they broke out day one, day two they would come right back in. So a lot of that kind of action really slowed me down personally. Yesterday I went full cash. Um, just because I didn't have any cushion. I think I had Docu on yesterday, and then it pulled. I had it this day that it bought it on the breakout, and then once it came down, I pretty much got out flat. Again, this was kind of the action the last few days. Um, didn't really like it. FSLY, I had that or 2 days ago, and I sold it yesterday once we were starting to kind of pull back in here. And you can see this thing got killed today as well. So kind of went through the master list and everything pretty much got crushed today. Um, really nasty action. Um, I think it's going to take some time to rebuild some setups, and we got to just kind of be patient. We want to watch for relative strength. If you look at the SPY, we've got a nice little uptrend here that maybe if we do have a bigger correction, something like this, maybe we kind of touch that area and then we turn around. But usually you want to kind of see this ugly action real quick. And for me, the goal is not to be trading right now. The goal is to be tracking relative strength. Um, this is the time where we're kind of just watching things. If you look at the VIX, um, massive day up, obviously. And if you look at all of the ETFs, sector ETFs, everything's down. So uh, there's really no setups out there to be even like trading right now. If you're day trading, I think it's all right. You can probably get some sick ranges out here. But if you are a swing trader, I'm personally not holding anything overnight at the moment. I just want to continue scanning, continue my routine, and just keeping track of relative strength. Like something like Tesla, it's still above the 10 EMA. So if this thing flags out eventually while the market's still dumping and it's holding up, that's something I want to keep track of. Maybe AVGO, if this thing kind of holds up, I want to keep track of that. And then just kind of wait for a tight setup and then see if the market's going to turn around. But at this moment, I want to do nothing. I kind of just want to be cash, but I think this is going to be good for the next run up. A lot of things this was pretty much late stage bull market. You can see we've been running nicely for a while now. So corrections are just part of the game. You just got to control the drawdowns during this time and just focus on the next stuff that comes out of this correction are going to be the new leaders. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, my focus is just going to be continuing to keep track of names. Not going to be trading much. If I do, I'm going to be trading a lot smaller. Um, I'm usually risking 50 basis points per trade, which I'll probably go down to like 10 basis points and kind of just build up a traction, see how my trades are doing, and go from there. But at the moment, definitely nothing out there. I kind of went through these scans and there's not much out there. I mean, the quantum names have been crazy, but these things are super extended as well. So I'm not interested in this at the moment. But that's pretty much it. Hope everybody stayed safe. Again, not a whole lot to do here. Um, just be patient. We'll get the next bull market going once things settle down a bit. So that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys next time.